Demustering checklist, packet number 1, superscribed as EVM papers cover. Number 1, unsealed envelope containing the account of votes recorded, Form 17C. Number 2, unsealed envelope containing the PRO report 1, 2 and 3. Number 3, black color sealed envelope containing printed VVPAT paper slips of mock poll. Demustering checklist, packet number 2, superscribed as scrutiny cover. Number 1, unsealed envelope containing the presiding officer's diary. Number 2, sealed envelope containing the register of voters 17A. Number 3, unsealed envelope containing visit sheet. Number 4, unsealed envelope containing the list of blind and infirm electors in Form 14A and the declarations of the companions. Demustering checklist, packet number 3, superscribed as statutory cover. Number 1, sealed envelope containing the marked copy of the electoral roll and list CSVs if any. Number 2, sealed envelope containing voters' slips. Number 3, sealed envelope containing unused tender ballot papers. Number 4, sealed envelope containing used tender ballot papers and the list in Form 17B. Number 5, sealed envelope containing challenged votes in Form 14. Demustering checklist, packet number 4, superscribed as non-statutory cover. Number 1, envelope containing the copy or copies of electoral roll other than the marked copy. Number 2, envelope containing the appointment letters of polling agents in Form 10. Number 3, envelope containing the election duty certificates in Form 12B. Number 4, envelope containing declarations by presiding officer. Number 5, envelope containing receipt book and cash if any in respect of challenged votes. Number 6, envelope containing the declarations obtained from electors as to their age and the list of such electors who have refused to make declaration as to their age. Number 7, envelope containing unused and damaged paper seals and special tags. Number 8, envelope containing unused voters' slips. Number 9, envelope containing form of declaration by elector under 49 MA test vote. Number 10, envelope containing form of declaration by elector whose name is in ASD list. Number 11, envelope containing letter of complaint to SHO. All the covers should be sealed. Demustering checklist, packet number 5, superscribed as booklets. Number 1, the handbook for presiding officer, manual of electronic voting machine and VVPAT instructions, etc. Number 2, used and remaining indelible ink set with stopper having been secured on each file effectively with molten candle or wax applied thereon to prevent leakage or evaporation. Number 3, used stamp pads. All these covers should be sealed. Demustering checklist, packet number 6, superscribed as all other items. Number 1, candidate information booklet. Number 2, other unused forms. Number 3, metal seal of the presiding officer. Number 4, the arrow cross mark rubber stamp for marking tendered ballot papers. Number 5, cup for setting the indelible ink. Number 6, all the other items, if any, should be packed into the 5th packet, colored blue. All the covers should be sealed. Thank you.